How easy is it to switch to high-speed fiber internet? It takes only a few basic steps. You can sign up for service by calling one of our friendly customer service representatives or by visiting our website. Once we have your order, a few days before your installation date, our crew will run a new fiber line from the pole to your house. Don't worry, you don't need to be home for this part of the service. Now, the day you've been waiting for. It's High-Speed Fiber Internet Install Day. Our installation team will meet you at your service address and start with the exterior work. They will make sure everything is as it should be at the box, and then we'll run the new line from outside your home to the inside of your home. The technician will run through the plan with you prior to any wiring being completed. Once inside, the installers will connect the fiber to an ONT, also known as an optical network terminal. This device converts an optical signal to an Ethernet connection. After connecting the ONT, GoNetspeed installers will test your connection, ensuring you get the speed you need. They will connect your ONT to your new free wireless router. You are now set up with the most stable connectivity on the market and the fastest speeds up and down your area can support. Got any questions? Talk to an actual person today by calling 855-891-7291. GoNetspeed is connecting communities one neighborhood at a time.